What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs. You guys have been raving about this orange Jeep on our lot for some time now. This is another Krietz Customs build added to the Krietz Auto inventory, and this is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. We're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added. The suspension system is going to be a 2.5-inch JKS. The wheel and tire package is a fuel Contra. It's a 22x12 with a -44 offset. Definitely a different look to stand out on the road. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35/12/50/22, and an aggressive style look for this Jeep. If you guys like this Jeep, make sure you check out our lifted inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is 196121. If you want to build your Jeep like this, make sure you check out our Facebook page at Krietz Customs or go to our website at KreitzCustoms.com.